You must have wonder why me I laugh so. Last night me pranked the Bigfoot where they up in the Blue Mountain. Me send a remote spaceship up there and him get scared and run. And you want to see him too? All I talk about Bigfoot live. Alright, so check it. My ship crash land right here in the hills above Kingston. See it? What me I gotta do now is try to fix it up. Still. Alright, so the primary conduit was completely fried. Had to reroute the plasma flow. That should get the main thrusters back online. Me I fix it. And when it finish, it a gonna look like a Benz GLE. Well, this was a quick update on my spaceship. And I hope Bigfoot not too mad. I'm a brethren. Anyway, thanks for watching. Back to regular food vlogs tomorrow. You see me? Hey folks, Bigfoot here, coming at you live from the beautiful Blue Mountains. Check out this amazing river. Me hear them a say the little alien boy a run prank on me. Me must get him back. Well anyway, me there do some fishing and I drink a Red Stripe. Yes man, it's a big one this. Me I go catch up a fire and roast him. Me know how to season and roast fish like a top chef. Who can roast fish like me? Me a top chef in them Blue Mountains, yeah. It sounds like that pig wanna be my Sunday dinner. Nah. Yes man. See you guys in the next one. Me I go figure out how to prank back the little Kingston alien.